Hello, several of you seem to have problems with making your drawings visible and then obviously putting it on Turnitin, which is how I like to see it. So just a quick guide on formatting or changing the format of your Word document into something that will show or allow you to show a much bigger and hopefully clearer version of the drawing. So here we've got a blank screen in Word. Normally it's going to be portrait. You'll have whatever size text you've set, and obviously you can put all your normal things in there. But let's say we get down to the bottom of the screen and you want to insert a drawing. Now, a landscape drawing, which is typical in portrait, goes very small, or you spin it through 90 and it looks rubbish and I've got to strain my neck to read it. So the other thing to do is to change the format of just that page where the drawing is going to be. Now, to do that, you need to look at your layout, which is obviously set for portrait, size, etc. Now, what we can do, we can create a new section which can be formatted differently. So on layout, go to breaks, add a section break, next page. So this makes a new page. And now we can change the orientation of that. Let's change it to landscape. So we can change that. Now we could insert a page. Now obviously you get to the bottom of that, you're going to want to go back to your portrait mode to carry on writing. So again, go to breaks, new section break, next page, and then change the orientation back to portrait. So now you can have all your waffle portrait, your drawing maximised to fit the space, and then back to portrait for your discussion. Now when you insert a picture, it's naturally going to fit the margins of the page, which might make it fairly small. There's a way you can make it fill the page so it's bigger. I'm going to now find a picture to insert in there. So I've found a picture of a drawing. I want to insert it in, so I've copied it from its original location. I'm just going to press paste. Now if I leave it like that, it's tiny, can't see it, so I have to zoom in really tight. We can stretch it in and out, but only as far as the normal margins of the page are going to allow us. So that's that can create problems. We can stretch it a little bit. If we go to the picture settings, if this symbol comes up, you can use that. If not, go to picture tools, wrap text, and then you want a square. That means that now this picture can be moved around the whole page and stretched to fit as best as you can get it in. Now that is now much better. I can even read the text without having to zoom in, and I've now got something that's good. Hopefully that's been a useful little thing. We don't obviously teach you how to do Word, Excel and things like that on this course. That is for other avenues of education, which hopefully you should have before you come to this course, but obviously not everyone has the same experiences. So please, when you're presenting your drawings or sketches or tables, follow that procedure. So when you get to insert a new section, you want layout, breaks, section break, next page, and after you've done the page, to make it portrait and landscape, go to orientation, and then when you've finished with your alternate size and shape of page, again break, section break, next page, and then reorientate it back to the size you want. Hopefully that has been useful. See you later.